Maganaja Akristû badini ya kanisa ya MUTUMIRIA Ezekiel Odero ni bakinyire kanisene ya New Life Prayer Center nterecha Mavueni kaunti ya Kilifi gwakagita kambere nyuma yayo kuingwa endi batirimana na mabisa baborithi baria babarigiririe gutonya ku Akristû baria bagukinyite mathaine ta 10 charukire bakarire ome mwankira mawakili ba Ezekiel nebo Cliff Ombeta na Danstan Omari bethirito bagikinya na nyumene ne batonyire gwita nambere na maromba jao. Maganaja Akristû ba kanise Pastor Ezekiel ya New Life Prayer Center ne bethiririe kanise je ingi iri Mavueni borithi bo bakuthiurukirite kanisa eje na kurigiria yo gwita nambere haria kinya Akristû ba bonekanire kugwirirwa pastor ojo wao agukinya kiwanjene gya kanisa yawe amwe na mawakili bawe. Akiaria wakili owe Danstan Omari na ugite gute baruga borithi baronania ya kuinga kanisa eje akiongeria kiria kionthe gikathukangwa kiri utonga bwa kanisa eje ni borithi bakoroterwa kiara.
They don't have any written notice either from the area sub chief, either from the area chief, either from the OCS, either from the OSPD or county commissioner or the Inspector General, or the Minister for Interior, or any court of law in this country. The procedure to communicate closure is by a document legal with a stamp of the Coat of Arms of the Republic of Kenya. They don't have. We have told them under Article 32 of the Constitution, the government has no role at all to stop any religious function.
Are inyeria kinya shirika baria bategwata utungata kumana nabo BAKARIA.
There are more than 15 different entities that they have completely paralyzed. One, there is a shopping mall. The losses that will be incurred from the shopping mall, the police officers will be held liable. Yes. There is a church that is going to go for 45,000 people, but because of pastors' tribulation, we are anticipating over 100,000 people coming to worship. Yes. The tithe that will not be collected today, yes, and the souls that will not be healed, yes, and those who will die because pastor cannot, we will hold the government to account.
Miario iria egwati mbarune wakili ongiowe Cliff Ombeta na kuga nkoroki no mwanka bagatonya kanisene na kuthathaiya.
Tutatoka hapa na tutaingia. Tumeelewana? Tutatoka na tutaingia. Hizi hawezi, hakuna mtu atafanya chochote. Hakuna tirisasi, hakuna nini, hakuna tia, hakuna. Leo watu wale wanaingia waingie kanisani. Ule watamzuia wamzuie, wewe unaenda wapi aseme. Sisi tunaingia. Tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana?
Nyuma ya gisanga sake Akristû ne batonyire kanisene na gwita nambere na kiumia kiao na kinya Pastor Ezekiel tawethire aunjiria ashirika bawe.